No basket. Rebound by Mr. Yakapin. Mr. Yakapin. Right? Oh, there's a foul. Who's foul, right? First one, Mr. Yakapin. 5 minutes and 36 po. First quarter. Okay. Second drive. Basket. Mr. Open sa gitna. Power moves. No basket. Rebound by Mr. Yakapin. Pass to his teammate. Number 13. First basket. He scores. Pass to sa ilalim. No basket. Pagaduan. So lumog.
Time out, sir. Time out.
Pass to number 13 and pass to number 6. Basket. 30 foul and first personal foul on you, Mr. Yakapin. Jumpers ready. Basket. 32, Mr. Yakapin. Pass to number 13. Basket. Last 2 minutes. Basket to Mr. Opry, but there's a foul. Number 22. Si Miguel. Penalty situation. Wala. Opry. Looking for 3. Opry. 3 points.
Uncle, ano ba?
Second try. Pass to number 27, Pagaduan. Fires for 3. Pagaduan. 3 points. Nara, pass to Pagaduan. 3 points. Taiko drives. But there's a foul. Who's foul? Mr. Taiko. Basket for the first try and second try, and jumpers ready. Basket for 2 to his teammate number 11. Drives. Basket.
Sancho.
4 minutes and 20 seconds.
Lakas na Yakapin.
Mr. Yakapin, the power moves. 2 points. Taiko. Up. Okay. Pagaduan, pass to Aquino. Aquino drives. Basket by Mr. Aquino. Ganda naman doon. Pass to number 15 drives. Basket. 2 points. Yakapin, power move. No basket, but there's a foul. Ayun. Nabayagan si Mr. Yakapin. Who's foul? 24, number 24. Second try and jumpers ready. Yun, nothing but the net. Takbong mayaman. Taiko, pass to Villa Carlos. Pass to Mr. Taiko. Taiko for 3. Taiko! 3 points. He scored! Mr. Amara. Up. No basket. Dito ko Mr. Yakapin. Power moves! Mr. Yakapin. 2 points. Taiko. Drive. Basket. 2 points for Mr. Taiko. He scored. Deadlock.
Let's talk sa ilalim.
1 minute. Aquino. 2 points.
Taglala.
5 seconds. 5 seconds. Basket. Basket to number 24. Five. But there's the foul. Basket for second try. Taiko drive. No basket. Hot. Bola ng upright.
Score ko ya. 26-25.
He scored. Pass to Aquino. Basket. So pass to number 6 mga guys for 3. No basket. Rebound by the power moves. Yakapin. Number 31. Looking for teammates. Pass to Mr. Yakapin. Ayan na. pinasa ulit ni Mr. Yakapin, nakagaw ang bola. Sancho, pass to Bagais, drives! Basket! Hey! He scored! 28-27.
15 seconds, shot clock.
Aquino, harassing by number 6. Up! Aquino drives! Basket! In the basket! 1 point out ng Rocks. Pass break to Mr. number 15. Basket! Panganiban. 2 point lead by Mr. Panganiban. Aquino, harassing by number 6. Aquino! Basket by Mr. Aquino. Basket. Pagaduan. Drives. Easy 2 point by Pagaduan. Pass to Mr. Aquino. No basket. Pagaduan. Easy 2 point by Mr. Pagaduan.
18 seconds. 8 seconds.
Pass to Panganiban. Drives. Basket. For teammates, pass to Mr. Aquino. Aquino, harassing Mr. Obrim. Oh, traveling violation. Amara, harassing by number 2, Mr. Taiko. Amara, shot. Oy, nilagay lang ang bola. Basket by Mr. Amara. Oh, nakuha ni Mr. Amara. Pass to his teammates. Aquino drives. Basket, but there's a foul. Mr. Oprim. Ang third per... Ayun! Laksama na. Timeout! Upright. Number 13. Number 13 goal! No basket. Alejandro looking for teammates.
Time remaining 18 seconds.
Alejandro pass to Pagaduan for three. Pagaduan! Bang! 3 points. Pass to number 20 ball. Hindi. Rebound ni Mr. Villakalas. Up. Sino ba? Tiger. Rebound by Mr. Aquino. Pass break to Mr. Amara looking for teammates. Mr. Amara tinira. Basket! 2 points Mr. Amara. Score po natin po. Power group sa ilalim. No basket. Rebound by.
Foul. Batid niya.
Okay. Number 17. 17. Ball.
Seconds.
Amara, pass to number Alejandro, number 13. Basket! Nahilo ang bantay.
Third time out sa kabila.
Number 6, Bagais. Basket! Pastor sa ball.
Barton.
46-43, 3-point lead by Upright.
Sige.
Mr. Aquino. Ayun, nakakuha ni Mr. There's the foul. Lucky foul. Mr. Amara.
Warning for penalty, Upright. Amara, third personal foul.
And 40 foul for the final quarter. Tiger for 3. No basket, rebound by Alejandro. Up, nakakuha ni. Basket. By number
48.
Number 19 again, foul. Pass to Bagais sa ilalim. Bagais. Niluhod lang ni Mr.
20 seconds shot clock.
Mr. Taiko.
Penalty.
Sandy.